Okay, so here's our circuit in reality. As you can see right here, over on the left side, we have both of the photoresistors, which are set up in the voltage dividers to output the voltages over here to the comparator, which compares and tells you which one is higher. We also have the outputs from the voltage divider from the photoresistors going over to the differencer, which is right here, and that is sent over to the windowed comparator, which is right here. Set up in the middle, there are the voltage dividers that give us the window of positive 0.5 volts and negative 0.5 volts, and then the outputs for the windowed comparator, the 1458 chip, go into this, which is an OR gate, and if either one of those conditions is outside of the window, that OR gate will return true, which will then tell our device to move, which brings you down here to the second half of logic gates. This one is the NOT gate, which takes the signal from both the comparator, the first comparator that tells you which one's brighter, and then it will also take the signal from the OR gate to NOT it as well. And so the first thing is, if the voltage is inside the window, the OR gate is returning false. So if we make that true in the OR gate, then we want it to light the LED, which tells us we're in the middle and we do not want to move. But once we get outside of the window, then we take that signal and run it into the AND gate, and if we want it to move and the voltage is currently high, that means that we want it to move to the left because the right photoresistor is brighter. And if we have a high signal coming from the OR gate, which means we want it to move, and a low signal coming from the comparator, we NOT the signal coming from the comparator to make it high, so we can just run it into the AND gate again. And so depending on which one is brighter, if it is enough brighter, we'll want it to move. So if you make the right photoresistor brighter, you can see that the green LED lights up, and if you make them both back to the same brightness, it goes back to the yellow. And then once you light up the right photoresistor, or the left photoresistor brighter, then the left LED lights up. And back in the middle, and you can see it going back and forth, and that's cool.